mit eurem T-Shirt. Wann kommt der dritte Mal? Oder ist das Donnerstag? Ja, vielen Dank.
Einen wunderschönen guten Abend, sehr geehrte Damen und Herren, liebe Seglerinnen und Segler, liebe Ehrengäste, liebe Freunde des Haarboots. Herzlich willkommen hier beim Segelclub Ebensee zur feierlichen Eröffnung der Haarboot-Weltmeisterschaft 2025. A very good evening, ladies and gentlemen, dear sailors, esteemed guests, and friends of the H-Boat class. A very warm welcome to the official opening ceremony of the 2025 H-Boat World Championship here at Segelclub Ebensee. Mein Name ist Sandra Landsteiner-Wagner, ich bin aktives Mitglied im Segelclub Ebensee und freue mich, euch heute durch diesen besonderen Abend begleiten zu dürfen. Im Namen des Segelclubs Ebensee darf ich sagen, es ist uns eine große Ehre, dass wir nach 2002 und 2012 zum dritten Mal Gastgeber einer Haarboot-Weltmeisterschaft sind. Und gerade im 50. Jubiläumsjahr unseres Clubs, der Segelclub Ebensee wurde 1975 gegründet, 69 Crews aus 9 Nationen begrüßen zu dürfen, ist uns eine ganz besondere Ehre. Ganz besonders freut es uns auch, dass Flavio Favini, der amtierende Haarboot-Weltmeister, mitten unter uns ist. Herzlich willkommen. My name is Sandra Landsteiner-Wagner. I'm an active member of the Segelclub Ebensee and I'm honored to guide you through this very special evening. On behalf of the Sailing Club Ebensee, I can say it's a great privilege to host the H-Boat World Championships for the third time after 2002 and 2012. And especially in the year of our 50th anniversary, we are super proud to welcome 69 crews from 9 nations here in Ebensee. And a very special warm welcome to the reigning world champion of the H-Boat class, Flavio Favini. We are honored that you're back here to fight for your next title. Dear Franz, lieber Franz, unser Präsident vom Segelclub Ebensee seit 2005, dreifacher, Achtung, Shark-Weltmeister, gemeinsam mit dem Flossi Felsecker, ein leidenschaftlicher Segler und ebenso leidenschaftlicher Präsident. Ich freue mich auf deine speziellen Worte zu dem heutigen Abend.
Thank you, Sandra. It's very difficult, yes, because there are so many words to learn. Shark 24, H-Boat and the other classes all. Dear Madam Mayor, dear guests of honor, dear sailors, it's a great honor for me as the president of the Ebensee Sailing Club to warmly welcome you here at the Lake Traunsee. Thank you to those who are traveled from far and wide to join us. As technical problems, yes, I think so. As a club, we are delighted to host the H-Boat World Championship for the third time already. Our thanks go to all individuals and organizations who support us, especially the members, all our members from the Ebensee Sailing Club. I think there are between 80 to 100 people working for you this week. We wish all participants good weather, favorable winds and exciting fair competition in the coming days. We will do our best to organize optimal races. Unfortunately, we cannot control wind and weather. What matters most to us of all is that after the races we can enjoy our community as sailors and friends over good food and drink. Let the party begin. Thank you. Sehr geehrte Frau Bürgermeisterin, sehr geehrte Ehrengäste, liebe Seglerinnen und Segler, es ist mir eine große Ehre, Sie als Präsident des Segelclubs Ebensee hier am Traunsee herzlich willkommen zu heißen und Ihnen und euch dafür zu danken, dass viele sehr weite Wege zu uns zurückgelegt haben. Wir freuen uns, dass nun bereits zum 3. Mal die Haarboot-Weltmeisterschaft in unserem Club stattfindet. Unser Dank gilt allen Menschen und Organisationen, die uns unterstützen, vor allem an den Mitgliedern vom Segelclub Ebensee, angeführt von unserem Obmann Hermann Watzinger. Wir wünschen den Teilnehmerinnen und Teilnehmern für die kommenden Tage gutes Wetter, guten Wind und spannende, faire Wettkämpfe. Wir werden versuchen, optimale Rennen zu organisieren. Wind und Wetter können wir leider nicht beeinflussen, aber wir werden versuchen, das Rad nach oben hier irgendwie in Bewegung zu bringen. Wichtig erscheint uns, dass wir nach den Rennen bei gutem Essen und Trinken unsere Gemeinschaft als Segler unter Freunden genießen können. Die Party kann beginnen. Dankeschön.
A regatta of this format, of course, needs the support of everyone, also from the town, from our little village Ebensee. That's why we are super excited to have you here, Sabine Bromberger, Mayor of Ebensee, and I would like to invite you for some welcoming words.
Thank you very much. Dear guests, dear athletes, on behalf of the municipality of Ebensee, I warmly welcome you in Ebensee at the beautiful Traunsee. It's a great pleasure for us to see all the sailors here from 9 different countries to have you with us. The Traunsee is not only a place for breathtaking natural beauty, but also a location known for its passion for water sports. It is inspiring to see the international age-board scene coming together to celebrate the sport, forge friendships and enjoy fair competitions. I wish all participants much success, exciting races, unforgettable moments. May the spirit of sport, respect and joy of sailing unite us all. Let us take this week to admire the beauty of our lake, make new connections and experience a fantastic World Championship together. I thank everyone who contributes to the success of this event and look forward to an exciting and successful World Championship here at Ebensee at the Traunsee. Thank you very much and wish you all the best.
Und jetzt darf ich den Präsident des österreichischen Segelverbands, Dieter Schneider, neben mir begrüßen. Ich freue mich auf das Gespräch mit Dieter. Wir werden uns jetzt ein Mikrofon teilen. Ich glaube, das funktioniert einfach ein bisschen besser. So I'm excited to have the president of the Austrian Sailing Federation, Dieter Schneider, next to me, and I think we will just continue in English because we think this will shorten it if we don't do it double. We'll see how this goes. So 2022, 2012, 2025. So the third time the H-Boat World Championships are in Austria. What does that mean to you and the Austrian Sailing Federation?
I think for the whole sailing community, especially for the Austrian Sailing Federation, it's so important to have events like this here in Austria. As you all know, Austria has no access to the seaside. We don't have a shore, but we are very successful. Sailing is in fact the most successful summer sports in Austria, and this makes me very proud. And to have events like this World Championship here, is a big honor and also a very important for visibility of our sport and for everything and for our big sailing community here. And I'd really wish everybody here to see this special occasion as the opportunity to have fun, to compete at the World Championship level, and this is not self-understanding.
As a president, you of course have the full range of sailing in mind and always in perspective. So what sailing is and what sailing could be in Austria especially. If you look at that whole range of sailing, what matters to you personally? So what is your vision when it comes to sailing in Austria, especially when you look at this H-Boat World Championship here?
I think sailing is changing a lot at the moment. We're seeing new sports coming up. Many sailing boats don't look like sailing boats anymore. We have the foiling classes and so on. But when I look at this H-boat class, then I see something that is sailing how I grew up with sailing. This is a sailing boat, a private fun, and also you can compete in a very international community. I think it's very, very important for me to emphasize that you should all give this perspective to the youth. Youth is one of the most important things here, and also that young people also will enjoy traveling on an H-boat in future. I think this is our big challenge that we all facing throughout all the classes all around the world. So it's important to transfer this. And this is my mission, and I would encourage you also to think about what is the future of these boat classes, because it would be very cool if H-boat will also be part within the next 100 years of a big sailing fun. Thank you very much.
My next guest right next to us is the president of the International H-Boat Association, Mats Korsgaard. Please join us. And we don't talk because you are prepared for a stage like this, and I would like to invite you to say your welcoming words to this amazing crew.
Danke vielmals. Es tut mir leid, aber ich nicht so gut am Deutsch. Ich hoffe, es ist okay, dass ich diese kleine Spreche in Englisch gegeben bin. So, ladies and gentlemen, officials, mayor, competitors, I'm really happy to be here with the whole fleet of H-boats. A record-breaking, I think, 9 nations represented, and definitely a record number. 69 boats, so that's really nice. So thank you to the city of Ebensee for supporting this, for the sailing club to arrange this. And speaking of that, not the least all the volunteers that I'm very sure have spent numerous hours to prepare this, and will also make this whole event go very smooth the next coming up days. So I think we should give them a big hand already now. I'd also like already now to thank you very much, the jury and all the race officials. They are also putting in a lot of efforts, a lot of professionalism, making sure that an H-boat is actually an H-boat by controlling the measurements, helping us out if we cannot find out the way to fight on the waters, helping us out on behalf of the jury. So thank you very much also to those helpers, if you like, of officials these coming days. Thank you. Give them a hand as well. And then I am not in the habit of actually mentioning one nation over others, but we are represented from Finland in the north to Italy in the south. But we actually have a new association forming just this spring, namely the Hungarian H-Boat Association. I think that's the first time for a very long time. So thank you very much for that effort. So with that, I will give the mic back for a little while for the flag hoist, and then I'll be back with a few more words. But until then, thank you very much.
as the CEO and Managing Director of Profs, he is responsible for the Seglerfest this week at Schloss, ich hätte jetzt fast gesagt Schloss Hotel Ort, genau, als Schloss Ort. So you are responsible as the CEO of Profs for the sailing fest on Friday, and having this world champs in your home harbor is of huge importance for you also. Can you just let us take part in your thoughts about having the H-Boat World Championships back here in Ebensee?
Yeah, guys, thank you very much for the honor to speak to you, guys from 10 countries. Just a warm welcome from the overall organization. Just two things to say. We are very proud that we can host the World Championship, the H-Boat World Championship, within the Traunsee-Woche together with the Sailing Club Ebensee. Two things. Friday is the Seglerfest in Schloss Ort. Take a jacket, maybe it's not so warm like we are used to normally. Everything is prepared. We have around 650 guests on this evening, and we are happy to have the H-Boat sailors there. And point number two, we have also with BMW our sponsor here, and use the opportunity to have some test rides what you can organize just there. Everything else, many races against you guys in the H-Boat in the past years, and also in your sailing clubs in our soling time. So we are so happy to have you here. It will be difficult for sailing for sure in the next couple of days, but we cross fingers that everything goes well. Thank you very much.
Danke, Christian. Ein herzliches Dank gilt an all meine Redner und Gäste vom heutigen Abend, aber vor allem an euch, die diese Haarboot-Weltmeisterschaft so ganz besonders machen werden. Die Crews, das Organisationsteam, all unsere freiwilligen Helferinnen, Partner, Sponsoren und natürlich allen voran das gesamte Team des Segelclubs Ebensee. Es sind unglaublich viele Hände heute in der gesamten Woche und in den vergangenen Wochen hier tätig. Also ein ganz, ganz großes Danke und ein Riesenapplaus an alle, die dieses Event möglich machen. Ich habe schon gesagt, wir haben insgesamt 69 Boote aus 9 Nationen am Start und damit freuen wir uns nun auf das feierliche Hissen der Flaggen und die nationalen Hymnen. Großartigen Applaus, den habt ihr mir schon weggenommen, und vielen herzlichen Dank an die Werkskapelle Ebensee. Ich darf das Wort noch einmal an den Präsidenten der Internationalen Haarboot-Vereinigung, Mats Korsgaard, geben. So we are all coming to a very exciting moment that we've all been waiting for. So Mats, the stage is yours again.
Thank you very much. So with the expectation of intense competition and the wish that the best boat and her crew will win, I hereby declare the H-Boat World Championship 2024-5 for open. Okay?